Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and actually here in this model it doesn't really matter if you will be on the video, night mode or photo mode. We have to enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see they are connected with each other. So we've got the general photo and we have to scroll down to the video one. As you can see on the third position we've got video resolution, so let's enter, and here we've got three different options from which we can choose. We've got 1080p option, which is currently applied. As you can see, this option is marked, but we can set either 720p or 4K. It's of course up to you which option you'd like to use. I will pick 4K, so all I have to do is to simply tap on this option. As you can see right now it is marked, and after getting back you can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.